Hello everyone, welcome back to Guide to Everything. In today's video, I'll show you on how you can transfer Wise to GCash. Now you can do this method from your mobile devices, or in my case, I'm going to be using a Windows computer right here. Now this is really simple. Inside the application or website, just click on the send button. Now before doing this, you want to make sure that you already have the PHP location or the Philippine peso currency on your Wise account right here. To do that, or right after, you can just click on the add recipient button. You want to make sure that you have selected PHP, and from here you then want to click on e-wallet. Now if you have chosen something like any other currencies, like maybe US dollar, GBP, Japanese dollar, and others, this option will not appear. So you want to make sure that you have selected Philippine pesos. Click on e-wallet, click on myself, and from here you then want to add GCash, enter the recipient's e-wallet number, and from there you will then see that right here. Click on the GCash or the recipient that you have saved, enter the amount that you want to send, and from there just click on the continue button. This will simply take around 10 minutes below, or even 24 hours to finish, so you have to be patient when doing this. So if this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow Guide to Everything for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.